this video, we will see how to write a basic program to find the largest side of a triangle. Where three sides are given as input, check whether three sides can form a triangle, and then you have to find the largest side. To write the basic program, first we have to write a remark. The remark command written as a rem, and every line you have to give the line number. Here we have given 10, and then write rem. Under this rem we will write the remark for this program. Find the largest side of a triangle, and then come to line number 20. Here we write input. Input is another command to take any input to a variable. To enter the value in first side, we declare a variable a. Then again write input command to take input for the side b, for the second side, and then again we write input command to take the value for the third side. After taking the value in the variable, now we check the condition whether the triangle is possible or not. For this we write a if statement, that is a plus b greater than c, and b plus c greater than a, and c plus a greater than b. If this condition matches, then it will that means the triangle is possible. If this condition doesn't match, that means the triangle is not possible. After checking this condition, we'll come to the line number 60. Here we check another condition if through the if statement, that is a greater than b. If this condition matches, then we keep the value of a to the another variable s. If this condition doesn't match, then it will go to the else statement. Here we keep the value of a in s. Then come to the line number 70. Here we check another statement, if statement. If c greater than b, if this condition matches, then we will keep the value of c in s. That means now we got the largest side of the triangle in s. Now print the value of s through print command. In line number 80, we will print the value of s. After writing the program, we will save the program by clicking on the file menu and click on save. After clicking on save, we will get a window. Here we write the file name with a .bs extension. After saving the program, we will go to the run section. Here we after clicking the run, we will get start. By clicking on start, we will execute the program. Now another program will find the area of a triangle using Hero's formula. In this program also we will check the triangle is possible or not. If this condition matches, then we will come to line number 60. Here we calculate the value of s. The s will be calculated as a plus b plus c divided by 2. Now find the value. Now we will calculate the value s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. We will put the value of this calculation in another variable, that is d. This is the same formula which we use mathematically, that is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This same formula we are using here. Now we have to find the root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. First of all, we calculate the value in d. Now we find the root over of this value. Root over means uh, to the power half. Here we write the to the power half into as 0.5. Now we are putting the value in a1. Now final result of the area will be stored in a1. Now we are getting the value of root over d. We are calculating this root over d as d to the power half, that means 0.5. This sign is this is the power sign in basic. After calculating the area of value in a1, now we print the value of a1. The area of the triangle, that is a1. With we'll print the value by writing the print command. After writing the program, we'll save the program and execute by clicking on run.